I recently broke down and bought a GoPro Hero 8 Black on the Black Friday special. This is just a quick video demonstrating a design flaw which I think anyone considering purchasing this camera may want to know about, as it could be a deal breaker for some of you. Watch what happens when I go to change the battery. In case you're new to the Hero 8 Black, I'll quickly show you how this is done. There's a little latch in the bottom right corner looking from the back of the camera. Hook your thumbnail in a little groove and pull down, then just flip the trapdoor up. Now be careful that you don't pull it too far open or you'll be in for a real surprise. With very little effort, you can push this door right off of the camera. This happened to me while I was out in the woods filming a ride. When I went to change the battery, the door flipped right off and landed on the snowy ground. Although the door is pretty easy to put back on, it needs to be thoroughly dried off so you don't introduce moisture to the inside of the camera. Hey GoPro, if you're listening, I like the idea of putting the battery door on the side of the camera, but this door should really be redesigned. The door should either be tethered to the side of the camera somehow, or design the hinge similar to the Hero 7 and not make it removable. I can think of a few scenarios where this could be devastating. If dropped in water, a rock crevice, or a cave, just to name a few places, it may be unable to be recovered. This is an action camera, so the possibilities are real. Okay, I'll get off my soapbox now. So how many of you use the Hero 8 Black? Do you like it? Please tell me what you like and don't like in the comments below, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and share it with your friends. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.